I'm Josh at Priory Direct, and I'm here to talk to you today about our HSM Profipack C400 cardboard shredder. We use cardboard shredders in our operation to turn our waste corrugated into an environmentally friendly void fill product. We use it to protect items in transit, and we use it to fill space in boxes to stop products migrating around the box and damaging the box in transit. And it works really well for us. So effectively, this is marketed as a cardboard perforator rather than a shredder. A lot of the more entry-level models just tend to shred the cardboard, whereas this perforates it, and I'll show you what that means now. It's very simple to use. Simply put your cardboard sheet in, it's self-feeding, and it trims the edge, so there's no limit to the size of cardboard that you can put through this. It will handle it, and indeed it does handle it very, very well. It's an auto feed, so it's still running. And it has very, very, very simple control. Okay, so in terms of the product that it produces, it's a really useful cardboard lattice, which I hope you can see. So like I say, it's not just cardboard shred for filling space. This lattice means that when you roll this product, it takes up a lot more space in the box. And it also means it's a very versatile packing material. So if you're trying to protect items in transit, you can take this lattice, fold them round the items, roll it up, and you end up with a really nice fitting, good protection for the item in transit. Much more versatile than just cardboard shred is normally. So in terms of the details of the machine, it's German manufactured. It's an extremely reliable machine. We've been testing this particular machine for a month. And this is the entry-level shredder in the range, and typically would be under spec for an operation of this size, but it's been taking a lot of use and handling it extremely well. It's got very, very simple controls. Forwards for obviously the automatic feed, stop for if you ever need to stop, and reverse in case there's any jams or anything that you need to then reverse out. We haven't had this jam at all. In terms of the details of it, it runs on a single phase power supply, so you don't need to have a 3-phase power supply installed. It will just run off the normal mains. It is a rolled steel outer, making it an extremely robust and strong machine, ideal for the warehouse environment. The cutter itself is made from a single piece of steel, which means it's impervious to things like staples or other bits of metal or plastic material running through the shredder, causing it any damage, and it has an extremely long life cycle. We're really proud of distributing HSM in the UK. We think it's a really fantastic shredder brand, really well engineered and specced. So if you have any questions about the cardboard shredder range, we're on priorydirect.co.uk. We run live chat 9 AM till 5:30 Monday to Friday. We'll be really happy to help. And we also stock over 2,500 other packaging and warehouse and e-commerce supplies. So if you're looking for those sort of supplies, we're here to help. Thank you very much.